Hello everyone, this is Markus Juan and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to unbox two packages. This is the package.
And the one is bigger.
It's supposed to be used at Pesta in Bugo, but the shipment was delayed. So let's unbox first the small one. This is a mixer sound speaker, mixer amplified musical, Echo Mixer Black PC TV amplifier system kit. Box. First, the box. Professional audio system. This is used for sing-along, karaoke, connect to your TV and DVD home theater. This is the gadgets we used for. So, see what's in the box. What's on the box? This is an adapter, power supply, and this is the mixer, karaoke sound mixer.
Goodbye. So,
This is the karaoke sound mixer.
oh, kita na. Kita na kayo.
Mixer. Is that kaya? The wires. This is the wire used to connect the TV, RCA cables. This is the cables. And it's a manual. So maybe we have some other videos to set up this, how to use this. The one.
Open that.
So the other one, let's open the other one.
I want to open the other one.
This is a condenser mic and DA sound card with a touchy case. So let's open. Yeah, let's open. Open. Let's open. It's hard. Wow.
Wow.
There's a case, silver color. Oh, it's hard. Wait.
So hard. You have
So
to
hard.
cut.
Shit.
Double silver
Wow.
case. Yee, ala ka murag stairs na sa kakaka. Stairs ka
This is the case. So nice.
Oh, so nice. Okay.
Okay. It's open. Open the case. What's inside?
It's so hard to open if you cannot do it. Oh, there you go. Oh, so nice.
Let's open the case. It's so
Look
nice.
at the case. So nice. The case is so nice. Wow. Whoa.
So what's in here?
Ooh, the
There's
thing.
an
Headset.
headset.
And the
And
wire.
mga wires, cables,
Oh, the microphone.
and the microphone.
Laki ang microphone.
Core 300.
It's hot.
And
It's hot. See, it's all hot. Oh, it has a stand.
stand,
This one too.
a table stand,
Oh, there you go. The table stand.
so this is the mic with table stand,
The last one.
and
Last one.
this is the sound card, the V8.
Here's the
And the manual.
manual.
Maybe next video we try this to set up. So I think this is it for now. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell button. Stay safe. Happy lang.